Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this super cute, super easy curly wig. They call this the Shaggy Bang wig, so stay tuned if you are interested. In today's video, I'm going to be working with Gorgius Hair Company. So I'm going to show you guys what I received in my package. So this is how it is looking. I got a wig cap, a bag with some goodies. So I got an elastic band, 2 clips, an edge control brush, some bobby pins, a tweezer, and of course the wig itself. So they call this the Shake Out the Curls and Go wig. And honestly, that's exactly it. So I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. There is absolutely no lace, like there's barely any work to do with this. So we have 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back, and we have the adjustable bands. It also came with a band inside as well. So it's basically the same features as any other wig. And then I'm showing you guys how it looks. So it has like a curly bang, and the rest of the hair is of course curly. So I'm just shaking up the hair, you know, pulling it out, making it fluffy, because that's the look that I'm going for. And we're gonna go ahead and install it. So you do want to make sure you're pulling out, you know, shaking it up and getting it as fluffy as possible before you start the install. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going in with a wig cap and just putting it over my braids. You would like your hair to be flat before putting on this wig. So I'm just putting on a wig cap. I already have 6 straight backs, so my hair is pretty flat. So I'll be using the comb at the back, and I'll be inserting it into the wig cap in the middle of my head, just right at the back, and I'll be pulling up the wig forward. And guys, once the wig is on, honestly, you can leave it like that. Like, there is no work to this wig. But I did find that the bangs were too long for me. So you're going to see that I went ahead and cut some of the bangs shorter. This hairstyle was definitely different for me, so I was also playing around with it a bit just to kind of get a feel of it, because I've never done anything like this. But honestly, it came out super cute. It was gorgeous. So guys, as you can see, I did go ahead and cut some of the bangs, but I was also playing with it to make sure that I didn't have any long pieces in my way, so you could still see me going in and cutting it, looking at it again, and if I needed to, I would go back in and cut it. There was this long piece that was not a part of the wig. It was already cut, but I didn't realize it was there, guys, at the side, because it is honestly bothering me. But it was a piece that I already cut and it was just hanging, so don't mind that. That wasn't a part of the wig. But yeah, so this is how it's looking. I took the cape off because I was done cutting the hair, but I also went in with some mousse. I didn't want to wet down the hair because the curls wouldn't be as fluffy, so I didn't want to add any water to it. So I went in with my olive oil mousse, and I just took a few pumps and I put it on the wig just to refresh the curls so that some of it could just look more defined. But that was basically it. So once I've added the mousse, that is basically it. Like, there's nothing else to do with the wig, guys. I just went in with my argan oil shine spray and I just sprayed it all over the hair. And of course, I then went in with my oil sheen, and I usually go in with my oil sheen once I've finished everything to do with the hair. And guys, that was like 5 minutes, if even 5 minutes. So that's how you know this wig was a quick get up, shake the wig, and go. So I was loving this. This was definitely a new style for me. I love it. So I just wanted to shout out Gorgius Hair Company once again for sending over this unit. If you guys are interested in this wig, the details will be down in my description box below, so go ahead and check them out because I was loving it, and this is definitely new and easy. So don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know how you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.